Scans intact. Thwart clone ion disruptor attacks.
Clicks, 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 they'll do anything to get a few. Tick, 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 that's the sound before my head explodes. Quick, 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 look at you up on your pedestals. Quick, 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 hear the critics come, it's time to go. I read your article, it kinda hurt me. I don't know who hired you or what your friends say in your circle, but the fact that you released it tells me two things are for certain. They get paid for trashing people, I get paid cause I stay working. Drop the searching, they emerge up out of nowhere to the surface, just to peek behind the curtain, throwing salt at all my burdens. I'm aware I shouldn't give this my attention. Life's a journey, I should just stay on my path and learn to laugh. You think they heard me? Ears are burning, put them out. Quiet, quiet, look around. Why don't they find someone way more interesting to write about? Us, we're kinda boring, aren't we? All we do is whine and pout. It's confusing, so amusing how I argue with myself. Hello. I spit it with these, so leave it to me. Doubt it, but you better believe I'm on a rampage. Hit 'em with the record release. Depending a week, I'm probably gonna have to achieve another goal. Let me go when I'm over the beat. I go into beast mode like I'm ready to feast. I'm fed up with these thieves trying to get me to bleed. They wanna see me taking out. Yep, see what I mean? How many records I gotta give you to get with the program? Take it for granted, I'm about to give you the whole plan. Open your mind up and take a look at the blueprint. Debate if you got it, but gotta hold it with both hands. Pick at the bars, you gotta be smart. You really gotta dig in your heart if you wanna get to the root of it. Issue pursuing the mental could be dark and be difficult, but the payoff at the end if it can help you to get through it. I paid my dose, made it through. Woo, 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 spread the nose. I'm on the lows, woo, 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 making moves. I need some room, woo, woo, woo. Always cold, well don't assume, don't assume. Hey, I'm the truth. Oh, they want some proof here. Don't be rude, something new. Even when I lose, I make it look cool. Do the show, then we hit the room. Life is looking, oh, what to do? I don't need the shades up to like the view. It's time to get back in the swing of things. When my life crashes, I'm not the guy that'll flee the scene. I'll take ownership and own it and raise my hand if it's me. Just remember though, I'm only a man, I'm a human being. Don't they see? Shoot the breeze, I'd rather just stay discreet. People claim they're in your corner but leave you in times of need. They don't listen, do they? What? They don't listen to anything. I'll accept advice if it's not presented ignorantly. Look, costs are high, they multiply, they cause divides. I'm forced to fight the poison I've been sipping on. It's quite the bite, it killed me twice. They rigged the lights so y'all can see the parts of mine that aren't so bright. See, often I apologize and authorize the awful times to pop up. Like I'm right behind you, I'd advise you not to try to climb inside the mind like I do. Keep the rhyme book expedited, overnighted, hold it tight and hope the time is on my side. Cause if it's not, then I'll decide to override my own demise. I told the line too close and I could improvise. I'd empathize but recognize the fact that I could jeopardize and record lives. You better give me your attention and undivided. My dose, made it through. Woo, 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 spread the nose. I'm on the lows, making moves. I need some room. Always cold, well don't assume, don't assume. Ay, pay my dose, made it through. Woo, 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 spread the nose. I'm on the lows, making moves. I need some room. Always cold, well don't assume, don't assume. Ay.
So I'm finally getting back into resin printing. The only reason why I took such a long hiatus from actually attempting to fix this is just it stung so much just even looking at this machine. Knowing that I spent so much money working on it for it just to poop on itself. So I've made a few modifications. I bought waterproof Gorilla Tape, so I placed it around the border, and I fixed the FEP film, and it's actually my very last ones. Looks like I have to buy more of those. And I was so confused why it was like messing up, because it was like clicking into the printing screen. Like the Z-axis would continue to go down even further than it's allowed, so resulting in like it clicking down, so kept on bouncing back and up. So my initial thoughts was that the motor is messed up, but then I started to remember that I can adjust the height from these 4 screws on the top of the print bed. So I adjusted those and I set the home for the Z-axis at a certain level. That was like the easiest solution to a expensive problem that I've ever encountered. The reason was because this was way too tight and I just have to lift this up a little bit, and that allowed some prints to actually come out. Of course it didn't work the first time. Here's some of the misprints that popped out. It's one of those successful, not successful prints because at least I know it's actually printing out with a correct screen, because this is the one that was damaged. And this print job was 8 of these small little Anycubic, like, they're like test samples just to see if your printer works correctly. So it did look like one of them successfully printed out, but the other 7 didn't, which is pretty unfortunate. But if one printed out, that means this printer is working correctly. It's just that it's just doing its stupid thing where it'll misprint for like days and days at a time. So I have to try to re-level everything, scrape off the misprints from the bottom of the film without puncturing it, and continue at that grind. Because quitting admits failure, and failure is admitting defeat, is the worst feeling in the world. So that's why I really don't quit. I just put it off on the back burner and come back to it at a later date.